TechnoGym has multiple types of treadmills, but here's how you can use them. They all work the same way. Once you touch the touch screen, you can see we have a bunch of different options. Whether you're trying to do sessions, custom intervals, watch TV, apps, outdoors, or routines, or you can simply click on the start button depending on what you're trying to do for your workout. In this case, I'm going to click on the start button. Once you've done this, you can see the treadmill start moving like so. And from here, you'll have the option to adjust your gradient. This is how much elevation you're actually gaining. And you can adjust the speed. So currently I'm going about half a mile an hour. If you want to go walking pace, you can go faster, or you can just hold this down to simply increase it really fast if you want to start running. If you want to pause or end this workout, you can simply click on pause or stop, and it'll basically give you 1 minute before it actually ends. Or you can click on cooldown or stop to end eventually. But once you click on restart, it'll basically just start you again. And from here, you can see our time and stats just on the screen like so. And you can always transition to the home option to watch TV just on this treadmill like so. But basically, this is all your stats. You can view your metrics in different ways if you want to on the screen, or even log in to create an account so you can view your progress and data from different sessions if you've saved interval workouts, etc. If you want to stop it, you can always attach this to yourself or click on stop here or there, and your workout's done and you're good to go. This is all the stats. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.